guys, we have a strict deadline for the report. Make sure you pass it on time.
Yes,
Do you have any more questions?
ma'am, are we going to do it individually or by?
Of course, you do it by a team.
Okay, ma'am.
Assign a leader and each member should have a contribution for the report. That's all.
Guys, this is it. We can do this and we can show it to our boss that we can do it.
Yes, well, me and MK will do the first part and you do the rest.
Okay, we will do that. Good morning, ma'am. This is your report.
Impressive. Who did this? Okay. Good job. And how about this? What is this? Who did this? You don't know who did this?
Yeah, I'm the one who do that.
Okay, because you guys did a good job, you can leave now and we need to talk. You did not do your job very well. So, as a punishment, I need you to pass me a written report.
Huh?
A written report. Do your own report. That's your punishment.
Sure, ma'am. I'm gonna pass that as soon as possible.
Okay, thanks. Okay guys, because you did a great job, I will give you incentives for you to be more motivated and interested in your job.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
Congrats!
Thank you, ma'am.